Hi, it's Jason with Akkio. Let's take a look at white labeling within the Akkio platform. Now I have my sample demo I've set up here, which is just a trial account actually. If I click on the drop down up here, I go to Team Settings, scroll down just a little bit. White labeling, it's available in the business plan, which is what we have during the trial. I'm going to configure white labeling. Now I've already done this, but I'm going to do it again in front of you. So I'm going to choose Replace, you choose Upload. Scroll down, here's my logo. Now I'm going to make sure this is the right size, of course. Real quick. Go, looks good. And I can also name the Chat Explore Assistant, so I'm going to rename that as well. I'll hit confirm. You see where we can adjust this to. I'm going to make sure this is on, enable white labeling. Now if I go back to my flows and I choose Employee Attrition Demo, for instance, just one of our demos, go to the Explore tab. If I do something, show me a scatter plot of years experience. That's fine. Let's share that. I'm going to choose Chat History. Now I can also rename it here. It says Chat Explore instead of Explore Your Data. You can see where I can adjust that there. And then I can also hide the logo. If I want to share it without my logo, I can kind of undo that. But instead, I'm just going to open this and show you. So there's my logo at the top. There we go. And if I go back, now if I go to predict, now I've already done this, of course. I predicted this looks great. If I want to expand the insights report, maybe I want to share this report with whoever I'm using this model for and tell them this is the insights you can get. I can expand that report, and it's called the insights report, and that is also white labeled. Still interact with it. They can still see everything about it, all that fun stuff, but it looks like it comes from me. Now, one thing I haven't mentioned is the URL. You can also modify that. Part of white labeling says if you send us URL, the one that you want, we'll add the CNAME. There's a little bit of configuration involved to do that, and we'll throw it up there for you. So it'll look like your URL as well as your logo everywhere. And then the last place you'll see it is in the web app. When I add a deployment, and it's a web app, I've already done it. It's a web app, so it's right there. Looks like this. If I update that deployment, go to Live App, it will show your URL and your logo at the top. So if your users come in here and they do some predictions, they type stuff in, or they upload to Excel spreadsheet, it looks like yours. Now, remember, you can embed this via iframe. Of course, you can use our API, all that fun stuff too. But if you want to white label it, you want it to have our look and feel, but with your logo at the top, you want to embed it inside your application on a page or something like that, we're here to help.